Here's how to house. More specifically, stutter house. Let's start with chords. We're in the key of F sharp minor using a 1-4-6 progression. Now let's copy these root notes with a bass preset. Now let's add our vocal. FL Cloud has a ton of great vocal samples to use. I've taken this vocal from the Take Me Home pack. Now, to get a stuttered effect, let's open up the vocal and right-click Volume and select Create Automation Clip, and quickly increase and decrease the volume. There's loads of ways to do this, but this is the simplest. Now, drums. Take a kick, clap, and open hat, and lay down a simple house drum pan. Make sure you sidechain your vocal, bassline and chords to the kick for that pulsating sound. And we can add fills for variation. For the drop, I've added some stabs. This isn't entirely necessary though. We can use any vocals we wish. And it doesn't always have to be a vocal. We can use lead patterns too. And that's how you stutter house.